Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this really cool Glassmorphism effect with your header. So if I press preview, we can go ahead and check it out. We'll notice that as we scroll down, the header follows us and there is a blur behind the header and it looks really nice. So that's what we're going to be building in today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. So for this video, we're actually going to be using the same code that we used in this video right here. We're just going to be tweaking it just a little bit. So this will be linked in the description if you want to use it. But basically all we're going to really do is come over to add. We'll go to quick add and we can just do an iframe. Now we're going to make this kind of short just so we can fit it inside the header. And then we're going to expand it. Perfect. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and say enter code. I'm going to come over to this post and I'm going to copy this text right here and we will just paste it in and we'll say apply. But now what I want to do is just go ahead and put the stuff in the header. So we'll go ahead and attach our logo and we'll make sure that we set the left margin to 3 just to be like our example. And we'll move the menu back into our header as well. And we'll set this to 3% left margin as well. Great. The next thing we'll need to do is actually grab the header itself. We'll need to come down to position, set it to pinned, and we'll overlap the next section, just like that. Now, already you'll notice that there is some blur, and you'll also notice that there is this slight border around it where there isn't an effect. Now, this would look kind of cool in itself if you wanted to go that route. I think that actually looks kind of cool on some screens. So if you wanted to do that, that would look pretty cool. But realistically, that's probably not what you're aiming for. So if we click on the HTML iframe and we say edit code, here is what I changed for mine. For this blur, I bumped this down to 10%. For scale, I did 1.2. For border radius, I just set this to 0. For saturation on both of these, I set them to 80 instead of 180. And then blur here as well, I set these to 10. And now you'll notice it automatically got rid of that border that was surrounding it. And you'll also notice that the blur is a lot more subtle. Now for this Glassmorphism effect, for one-off sections like we did in this video, I think that this code works really well. However, if you're going to use this code on a section or header that's going to be visible at all times as your user is on your website, I think subtlety is key, or less is more in this case. I think having your blur be a little bit less distracting makes it a little bit more classy. So now if we go ahead and preview the website and we scroll down, this is what it's going to look like. And it looks really clean. But that's basically going to wrap it up for today's quick little video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more Wix and Editor X content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.